halt
assistance system in
Yes.
the network. It recognized 5 words: yes, no, collect, credit card, and operator. And from those 5 words, they saved $200 million a year in labor costs. So I've kept looking at this space because the numbers are just so staggering. What happens when you have a conversational machine? What does happen when you have a conversational machine?
Well, first of all, we've seen this happening elsewhere. You know, Japan was automating its subway system back in the 90s, and the robots were driving the trains. And they kept a human operator with their hand on a dead man's switch to take over in case the robot screwed up. Then they quietly started removing the operators because after a year of testing, they realized that all the screw-ups were happening because the bored human was accidentally hitting the switch. So what you see are industries calving off like icebergs. The whole industry drops away.
You're not in the
suddenly
business,
the
by
human
chance,
operators disappear from the phone system. So what happens if you have a robot you have a conversation with?
In a way, it's sort of like the friendship case.
There's this thing called the Turing test.
discover that
First,
money has
for VoIP,
The idea is that you're creating
we have less and less reason to travel unnecessarily. So massive substitutions of communication for transportation, which could help the energy crisis, for example. But a whole other implication relates to Chris Anderson's notion of the long tail. We have been getting videos, and I'm old enough to remember when television was novel in the